bring my sons to swimming lessons, and then they actually saw this truck and then they were excited, and then we went and play around with it, and then I get to know the Family Connector.
I have so much fun with the Family Connectors because I get to go together with my family, and then we can share experience from other families, and we share lots of tips and parenting from the Family Connectors.
We have been staying more than 10 years in Panjang, and we stick together with Panjang FCC. I would like to share with the others from Panjang FCC family. FCC family made a lot of activity for us and also for others in Panjang neighborhood.
Saya suka mencari pengalaman yang baru untuk mendidik anak-anak dan menjadi keluarga yang lebih baik.
In the COVID-19 time, then we will ask you to go anywhere, and you all share how you enjoy the family, so we can hear from them what the family is talking about COVID-19. I think they share.
It really benefit us a lot because my girls sometimes even looking forward because in advance FSC will inform us what is this month's workshop topic will be. I can recall that there's this cyber wellness which can educate my girls. Sometimes as a parents, if we tell them what to do, they may not listen to us.
Banyak yang kita pelajari dalam program ini, terutama dalam hidup sihat. Less stress.
It was a very fun and fulfilling sessions with the Family Connectors. The lessons tips given are all updated, especially the power parenting, and I really like it.
我非常感谢你们感谢你们对我们一路来的那个援助，提供一些给孩子出去的一些机会。然后也增加我们亲子之间的关系，我们了解到孩子的一些兴趣爱好。
Workshop is good and fun, and also will make family enjoy the family time together.
Most memorable is that there's always laughter and sharing our piece of thought and caring and helping each other through the Family Connectors.
When the families able to work as a team to achieve a certain goal together.
I think what impacted the most on me was to learn about the different love languages.
在6年前呢，我们有去到那个林布沙巴黎看那个熊猫，那时候我的孩子们很开心。
我的孩子跟我是从来这一生都没有去过船上玩的。就有一次去那个船上，我们在那个船兜了一圈回来哈，就那一次他们最难忘。
负责教新年，认识很多东西。
Science center, okay. Then how about Shahui?
I like the indoor activities.
The indoor activity. So what do you do at the indoor?
Most recent one that I just attend is the Smart Go. I feel very good that you all really do it very nicely. Even better than the first when I attend from other places of this Smart Go workshop. The way that you all present is so fun and so nice and so interesting.
It's just like having some time with my kids together as a mother and daughter bonding. Yeah, and it really works for us well.
在去年6月26号的时候给我们发的这个卡片，我这写给老公的。我说：“亲爱的老公，我爱你，很幸运能和你相识相遇，成为一家人，有了3个可爱的孩子，幸福的家，让我们一家人相亲相爱一辈子，健康。”富足幸福到永远，深深爱着你的老婆马舍。当时我的老公看完我跟他写的这张卡片，虽然他不善于言语表达，但是后来我们的关系真的是改善了很多。
Love from the Family Connectors workshop that I can talk with my family and how to spend time with them. Caring for people and respecting for people.
I managed to make new friends, learn about each and everyone's, and it also managed to help me with my social anxiety.
Learning about my future and also some experience gaining.
We attend the baking session, so my daughter really loved it. I'm very proud of her. She finally had her own business. The other one is like whatever time we have, we try to spend as much as we can.
I will let other family knows what are the benefits, supports and knowledge they could get from joining FC. With the best help of the FC team, especially Raihan, thanks Raihan, our family are much motivated to the positive sides of lives.
我觉得太和馆的每一个工作坊，就是工作人员都有很细心的去准备，除了内容以外，也会有很多的一个亲子的活动、亲子手工，然后也会为我们准备很多的小礼物。如果你们有空的话，时间安排到的话，真的要来体验一下。
Tapi kalau boleh pun kalau ada sakit COVID-19, kalau dah tak ada, siapa mengharapkan kalau boleh FSC buatlah macam ya 2 tahun yang lepas tu ya kita pergi events, Marina Branch, Sentosa, Zoo, mana-mana lah.
I would mostly encourage lah because it only not that benefited me but my whole family.